don't know any different, I guess.
All right, the RJHS Quiz Bowl team is very competitive. 7 members of each team will, with the number of questions answered correctly per match, and none of them have answered the same number of questions correctly. Their highest scores of correctly answered questions range from 5 to 11. Last week, Tyler played the game of his life and increased his high score from 11 to 15 questions answered correctly. How does Tyler's new score affect the mean and median of the Quiz Bowl team's correctly answered questions? All right, so basically we've got 7 team members all scoring between the range of 5 to 11, and it says no one has the same amount of points. So 9, 10, 11. There's only 7 numbers between 5 and 11, so that means that one of the 7 have answered each of those amounts of points. Now, Tyler went from 11 to 15, so he's this guy right here. He goes from 11 to 15. What's going to happen to the mean and the median? Well, it just requires us knowing what the mean and the median are. The mean, for example, is just adding everything up and dividing by how many there are. So if you go from 11 to 15, you've increased one of your numbers by 4, which is going to make a slight change in the to the total average, and it's going to raise it just a little bit. So when you add to any number, then the mean itself is going to go up with it, just a little bit, but it's still going to go up. Now the median, on the other hand, the median is the middle. Now regardless of what the highest number is, when you line them up, the middle is still going to be 8, in this group at least. So I could change that last number to 1,000, and it's still going to be a median of 8, because all you do for the median is mark out until you get to the middle. So that's not going to change whether it's 11 or 15 or 1,000 or a million. It doesn't matter. So median won't change. Mean is going to increase a little bit. So when we look at our options down here, I see that C says that the mean will increase, which is what we wanted, and the median will stay the same, which is also what we said we wanted. C.